Hi everyone, we hope you are all so good. Today, we're having a list of world's most the best 5 3D printers for your office, lab, studio, or workshop. Don't skip the video. If you are new on this channel, then like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for new latest updates. Even 3D printing is a valuable thing to have access to, and for your little businesses, this process is an essential part of project needs on a daily basis. If you're thinking of buying a 3D printer for your small business, we've selected 5 top 3D printers that are easy to use yet produce high-quality, reliable results. Some of the items below are given with links in the description of this video. Let's start the top 5th 3D printer. 5. Prusa SL1S. The Prusa SL1S is an MSL resin 3D printer that offers speed, precision, and a high level of automation. The sensor-rich SL1S offers a guided unboxing, setup, and calibration through the color touchscreen LCD, and the included manual contains detailed documentation, which provides troubleshooting steps for nearly every common problem that you may run into. Prusa has developed the hardware, software, and even the resin used by this machine to work together. And this effort has culminated in one of the easiest to use resin MSL 3D printers on the market. The SL1S uses a tilting resin vat that enables blazing fast print speeds without compromising either print quality or risking part failures. The vat peels gently from each cured layer, allowing for wide cross-sections or thick, solid models to print without the excess suction causing the part to stick to the FEP film. The 2560 x 1620 masking LCD resolution and 5.96-inch LCD size give an XY resolution of 49, which is standard for most 2K resin MSL 3D printers. The rigid aluminum gantry and solid metal build platform move via a ball screw linear actuator, offering precise layers down to 0.25 mm, 25 microns. Selling at a very affordable price range than other brand 3D printers available in the market. The SL1S is targeted towards prosumers or businesses that are looking to offer high-resolution models with a fast turnaround time. For hobbyists interested in high-resolution printing at a lower cost, the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro and Elegoo Mars 3 both sell for low price and offer similar XY resolution at the expense of a slower print speed. Our next useful 4 3D printer. 4. Voxelab Aries printer. It can be hard to find a single 3D printer that does everything well, but the Voxelab Aries is an impressive machine that offers high-performance printing at a budget price without compromising on build quality. The Aries is designed to be a beginner-friendly machine, and this semi-automated 3-point bed leveling process means you can be up and printing in less than an hour after opening the box. The Aries features a Core XY motion system, which means the build platform remains stationary during printing and only moves down in the Z direction during layer changes. This means that the printed part is not moved back and forth during printing, which makes it easier to print tall, thin parts without worrying about them toppling over. In addition, features like the built-in Wi-Fi allow the Aries to be started remotely, which is ideal for anyone who doesn't like moving files back and forth via micro SD card or USB flash drive. Selling at a very affordable price range than other brand 3D printers available in the market. The Voxelab Aries is a 3D printer that punches way of its weight class and offers a lot to anyone interested in a plug-and-play 3D printer. The simple, guided setup and easy-to-read LCD screen on the Voxelab makes it ideal for classroom and library use. And the durable plastic enclosure is perfect for young learners. For anyone interested in a more hands-on experience who wants to build the printer themselves. The Creality Ender 3 Pro is slightly less expensive and offers a more modular system. Then, the next 3D printer. 3 Anycubic Mega S 3D printer. This is a great durable machine that offers lots of nice features at a good price point. Anycubic Mega S 3D printer with 8 screws and 3 cables for minutes not only meets fast assembly needs for expert users but also friendly use to beginners. The extruder and filament drive have been made to reduce the risk of clogging and supports many filament types. The rigid metal frame can minimize the shaking to improve the print quality. You will get a resume job function that will make sure that you do not lose your job if there is a power interruption as well. The Ultra Base is made for superior function, and you will love that the material offers superior connection when printing and then easy separation when the job is complete. Mega S 3D printer can resume printing after power outage or any other unexpected stoppage. Even its printing volume reaches 8.27 x 8.27 x 8.7 inches. Patented 3D printer printing platform surface coated with patented microporous coating, with excellent adhesion when printing, and then effortlessly falls off the bed when it cools to room temp at the end of the print. You get lifetime customer support and 24-hour helpline assistance with this machine, so that you are never left with a job half finished with a deadline in front of you. This is a really great machine that is really durable. You will be able to print all day long on this printer with ease, and you will have access to really good customer support. You will never be left hanging by this company, and the jobs that you do with this printer will be excellently crafted every time. Now we talk the second 3D printer. 2 Monoprice Cadet. The Monoprice Cadet is a 3D printer designed from the ground up, with safety in mind, and is ideal for the beginner who is interested in getting started. The motion components are hidden internally in the frame, and the heated nozzle is protected by a large metal grill, keeping curious fingers away from the parts of the printer that shouldn't be touched during operation. The printer includes a bed leveling probe, which allows for touch-free automatic bed leveling, something a beginner will greatly benefit from, as you would expect for a printer in this price range. The build volume is modest, with a roughly 4-inch cube being the largest possible print. The build platform feels like an oversized fridge magnet, and parts detach quickly and easily without requiring hand tools. The Cadet does have a few quirks to consider before you pull the trigger. For one, the side-mounted filament spool holder is mounted low on the printer, so most standard 1 kilogram filament spools won't fit. You can mount 500 edge or smaller half spools, or 3D print a filament stand to hold full spools. The Wi-Fi feature of the printer is also a little hit or miss. We were not able to get it to connect, and several other users have noted the same issue online. Resin 3D printers use a UV-cured material to form a model layer by layer as it rises from a vat of liquid. This style of 3D printing can create very finely detailed models, but it requires more cleanup and post-processing than you might expect. Filament 3D printers use a feedstock material, which is fed into a hot nozzle and extruded out layer by layer to form a solid model. This style of printing requires little to no post-processing, but results in a generally coarser appearance. The last one, 3D printer. 1 Creality Ender 3 V2. Creality Ender 3 V2 is an extraordinary 3D printer for beginner. Made with full 4.3-inch color LCD screen, a U-budget plan 3D printer. The frame is still high quality. It has been improved over the previous versions, but it's still very comparable to the one from the Ender 3 Pro. The 3D printer can automatically continue printing after power off or fiber breakage, so you can stress less over print disappointments. It additionally is a self-created 32-cycle quiet motherboard to guarantee smooth development and no clamor during printing. All the parts fit together flush and tightly, and I had no issues mounting it. There wasn't any skewed parts, so we are really happy with the sturdiness and the quality of that frame. Creality Ender 3 V2 additionally contains a newly branded interface. Otherwise, the flex material is going to escape that inlet pretty easily. So that's an upgrade to apply if you want to go for TPU printing. The new interface significantly updates the client experience through the recently planned working UI framework with best for supply and basic activity. One more element of the Creality Ender 3 V2 is its treated glass print bed. However, its glass print bed is mounted on the aluminum plate, which should work on, generally speaking, material grip, makes the surface complement, and allows you to eliminate prints significantly more without any problem. Even its printing size is generally 220 x 220 x 250 if we talk about its specification. Its brand name is Comgrow, with a compatible devices like PC. Hence, its compatible material is polylactic acid with included components. That's 3D printer weight is 17.20 pounds, and model no is Usoon Ender 3 V2 FBA. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, then please subscribe our channel and share this video. For watching the new latest videos, then press the bell icon of that channel.